How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about weight loss if you're struggling step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So what are some tips, you guys, if you're struggling? How do you do this? A lot of people struggle with weight loss because a lot of people don't actually know what's going on with weight loss. So it's very simple. For weight loss, we need to eat less calories. Sounds very simple. Guys need about 2,500 calories to maintain, so you would eat 2,000 calories to lose weight. Girls need about 2,000 calories to maintain. They would eat 1,500 calories. They would lose weight. 500 calorie deficit is pretty good. You do it for a week, you'll lose about a pound of fat. It's simple, but to execute it is extremely difficult. Here's why. The minute you put your body in a calorie deficit, your body is automatically working against you. Your cortisol levels will skyrocket. Your ghrelin will drop. Your ghrelin will increase. Ghrelin is the hunger hormone. So you will get hungry if you put yourself in a deficit. Even if you're eating healthy, you're eating all these good foods, filling foods, you will get hungry because your ghrelin spikes because you are in a calorie deficit. Third one, your leptin levels, which control metabolism, helps you to continue to lose weight, slowly will drop. That's why a lot of people, competitive powerlifters, bodybuilders, they will do refeed days to spike their leptin levels. Your glucagon, your glycogen levels, that will all go down as well. It will affect your sleep. It will affect your stress. It will affect your mood. Your estrogen will slowly go down, you guys. It works against you in every possible way because your body is in survival mode. Your body wants you never to be hungry. It actually wants you to carry as much fat as possible because millions of years ago, thousands of years ago, whatever, people didn't have access to all the food we have. So people would actually die of hunger. So your body would program itself that we need to gather as much food as possible and we need to save that food for days where we might not have food. So everything is working against you. So the best things we can do, the number one things that we can do is to track our calories. So we know exactly how much food we're consuming per day. If you're just eating whatever, there's some days where if you need 2,000 calories, you might only get 1,300. So you're starving yourself. You don't even know it. There's some days where if you need 2,000, you might hit 2,800. So you're already going over, so you won't lose any weight at all. Tracking is very important. It is super important to track your calories and to weigh your food. If you have a chicken breast, well, how many calories is that? Well, you got to weigh it to tell. You got to weigh your food, you guys. Very, very, very important. The next thing, and this is super important that a lot of people don't understand. If you're doing it right, you're tracking your calories, you're eating healthy, you're doing everything correctly, the first 2 to 3 days is going to be a nightmare. The first 2 to 3 days is hard because your body's completely switching what it's doing. If you can last, for most people that I train, if they can last 2 to 3 days on a weight loss program, they can make it 2 to 3 months. It's that initial 2 to 3 days that people give up because you feel tired, you don't feel good, you feel sluggish, you're hungry all the time. Once you get past that, you're good to go. So those are some tips. Hopefully I helped you guys out. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.